The Cole Mason 6-inch Horsham salt and pepper mill gift set features 2 inverted grinders that keep countertops and tables clean. These mills allow you to conveniently select between 5 preset grind levels on the pepper mill and 3 levels on the salt mill by twisting the top ring, and you can easily refill by removing the cap at the base of the mills. The unique 6-inch tall inverted grinders have a premium balance and weight, making them perfect for any kitchen. These mills use a machine-cut carbon steel precision mechanism and a diamond sharpened precision mechanism to create a smooth and even turn, and they come with a lifetime Cole Mason mechanism guarantee. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.coleandmasonusa.com.